Hello guys. It's me, it's Bongi. Anyway, good morning. Rev, Ndiepi, Bonani, Huyamor, Namaste. Rev, Ni Hao. Anyway, I've been getting this question a lot, but luckily, one of this book does have this question: how to get the schematic diagram. I've been receiving this question, guys, a lot. So now, luckily, I want to answer this question with an example on how do I get the schematics. Okay, it's very easy. Don't panic to get the schematic. What you need to do is either you can use a motherboard number or you can use a laptop model number. Easy. You use a board number or you use a laptop port number. Either way, it's the model or the port number. Let's go ahead. Let's do an example here. They did an example for us. HP Pavilion P2 series. So let's say you are looking for a schematic for this model. I think this is found underneath. Yes, its sticker is on the bottom of the laptop and it's called the product name. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. Let's try with the above information, which says HP Pavilion P2 series. Let's go ahead. What you do, open your Chrome, you type there HP Pavilion H wait, was it let me double check again. Oh, P2 series. Sorry about that. P2 series, and then at the end you say schematic. Okay, when we type this, it's very hard to find the schematic. As you can see, the results, they're all directing us to HP websites, of which HP obviously they won't be able to give us what a schematic. So what we need to do here, you have to be more specific with your P2 series. Okay, because there are many of HP P2, Pavilion P2 series. So let's try to be more specific. Go back. This is what? This is P2 1033W. So you go back there and you put that. Hey, guys, what's wrong with my memory this morning? Aibo. P2 1033. Something's wrong with my memory this morning. I think it was a W there. Yes. And then you remove what? You remove series and then say schematic. Hit enter. Aibo. Hope you can see. Still again, we can't find what? We can't find schematic, a site where we will get what? Where we'll get a schematic. It's very hard. Wait, did I write a correct thing? Yes, schematic. Schematic download. Let's say download. Oh, is still we can't find a website where we will get what a schematic for this model. Okay, so after trying this, if you can't find the schematic still using this option, so what you do next, you will have to use a port number. All right, I was showing you an example. I tried as well myself, but I couldn't do it. All right, let's move on. I'll show you how to use a port number, and we'll make an example. Okay, guys, in terms of the port number, the port are manufactured by different brands, by different manufacturers. Okay, and you have to be able to identify all the types of brands by just looking at the port number. Okay, so we have this thing called OEM laptop motherboard. Okay, what does OEM mean? It means originally equipment manufacturer. Okay, it's more like a manufacturer. all branded laptop computer like Apple, Acer, Dell, HP, Lenovo's, and etc. They are not manufactured their own. Okay, they are not manufacture their own laptop motherboard. This means all these well-known brands, they don't manufacture their own laptops. This means someone else, another company, it's assisting them. It's building them this motherboard. Okay, all of them, they are using the third party company to design laptop motherboard or to build motherboard for them. Okay, let's move on. And the popular OEM company is Compel. Of which true, I think Compel is one of the best. Compel, they do motherboard for Dell, for HP, for Acer, uh, for many brands. Okay, even Quanta as well, with String, Investec, and Pecatron. These are all well-known companies. Okay, and the second line is called Mitech. Devo, they do motherboard for uh this brand again, for Gigabytes, Proline, Mesa, yeah, all those brands. And MSI, we all know MSI. They are more into desktops though. So let's continue. So for quantum motherboard, this is how you tell. Okay, and this is a port number. So what you do is you highlight the port number, you type it as it is, you type this number there as it is, you go to your browser. Let's do it. I'm just gonna paste it and then say what was the revision? Is it E, or sometimes you have to put the revision? Yeah, the revision was E. There, schematic. See, the moment we type here, you will find a lot of websites giving you what, giving you schematic. You can even use the bed caps because I'm the member of bed caps. So I prefer bed caps because in case you don't have okay, there we go. Now we are downloading what? We are downloading a schematic, and it's done downloading, and there it is. This is a schematic. You saw how I find the schematic. Those are so easy. And what I do after this, I normally save them into a specific folder. I create a folder, and this is what you should do as well. You should download the schematic and create a special folder where you save them for entire year or years. You'll have after that you will have all this bunch of schematic different schematics. Okay, I hope you saw how I downloaded the schematic. Is how you do. And again, when you see something like LA dash something, that's port is made by Compel. You can even see by color. They are not, the colors are not the same. I'm not sure if you can see. Even the writing, the way they write things are not the same. Okay, but for Investec, this is how they label their motherboard, and you use this number, you use the port number. Okay, you use this port number to find what, to find schematic. You highlight this, and then you highlight this number because this HPNX won't be there, but this is the model number, so you won't find this on the port number. On the port number, you'll only find this 6058 with this number, the one that I just highlighted. And then you go to your browser and you do the same thing. You paste there. After pasting, you say what, you say schematic. And there we go. Be careful there. Okay, and again, I'll be using what? I'll be using bed caps, and there it is. I'll be using bed caps, bed capacitor. You wait for it to download. Once it's downloaded, there we go, and there we go. Even the label, the way they do their diagrams, it's not the same as Compel. It's not the same as the other brand. It's not the same as Clevo. Clevo, it's not the same at all. Hope you can see. Hope you can see everything. This is how you do it, and you save that schematic again. Sony, they do their own motherboards. Okay, they it is ASUS, even ASUS as well. They do their own motherboard. Yeah, online I've seen plenty of ASUS motherboard. They do their own ASUS. motherboard with screen. Okay, I hope you saw. Okay, hope you saw. Exactly, you do the same thing for what? For a BIOS pin file. You will find this number LA something, and you write the entire thing, and you put at the end you put what? BIOS pin file. Let's copy this. Go into our browser, paste this, and at the end you say BIOS pin file. This is how you find the BIOS pin file, and you hit enter. There we go. There we go. The first page, the first results, Ali seller, they are free of charge. They will give you a BIOS, and you'll be able to click download. It's easy, 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 easy. There is a file, and you say download, and the file will be downloaded direct into your PC. There is the pin file. Obviously, we can't open a pin file, but we can open a location where it is, and there it is. BIOS pin file. Guys, this is very, very easy. Okay, hope you can tell the difference between different OME companies. You have to learn, you have to learn, you have to learn. Again, they're doing the same thing. Okay, I'm not sure if you can tell. This is compel. You can see different ports. This is compel again. You can see by the, as long as there's LA there and the dash number, it means it's compel. Here they're showing you what I was showing you right now. All right, just start downloading. Okay, I made a website bank of schema. Okay, let's try this. They're saying this website. Oh yeah, it's true. It's true. It's true. It's true. It's true. It's true. S. Okay. You know what? Let's highlight this. Okay, let's visit S manuals and see. I remember very well S manuals. It's where I normally download. Okay, schematic as well. They have a bunch of schematic. I don't know why now. Okay, there we go. Laptops. Yeah, they're still working. See, Acer, Apple, Acer's, BenQ, TiVo, Compel. They're all different companies where you can download the schematic. If you go to Acer, they'll give you bunch of Acer model. You'll click next until you are tired. You'll be downloading all these files until you are tired, guys. Same with Apple, same with TiVo as well. You download all the TiVo motherboard. I mean the schematics, guys. Even HP, you'll go here to HP. You can download any schematic. Even Sony, you download until you are tired. You have all the variety of schematic. Compel. There we go. Compel. Bunch of compel. Okay. But guys, I hope you can see. I use S manuals and I use Bedcaps. I use plenty websites for schematics. Anyway, this is it. Let's just end it right here. I'll see you on my next video, guys. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.